If China provide more stimulus, the precious metals, they will break out. On Monday, China provided 100 billion of capital into their lending market. And with this, we immediately saw copper, platinum, palladium all surge. This follows on from China implementing their biggest rate cut since 2020 during the pandemic. With this, we've immediately seen an impact across the metals here. As you know, silver for the month, it's up over 6%. Gold prices, they're up 9% for the month. We've had breakouts on palladium, on platinum and copper at the start of the week here as well. Currently, the setups that I like right now, they do include platinum, palladium, copper, and also crude oil. So as you know, we've caught a windfall amount of profit here across gold and silver over the last couple of weeks. We've just under a 2,000 point breakout to the upside here. So as you know, we had 12 positions on gold. So we've continued to bank on strength and now rotating that capital over to platinum, which I still like, sub $900 per ounce. We've of course capitalized here on palladium as well, which so far this week it's broken out 4% to the upside. We came back down, retested $1,100 per ounce at the start of the week. We're now breaking back above $1,145 per ounce. I also like copper here at the 3.6 zone or lower, and alongside that I like crude oil down towards $83 per barrel, which after banking over 2 trades last week, we banked 1,000 points profit with our clients on crude oil. We've now taken the opportunity to reload yet again back down towards $83 per barrel. So you've just got back-to-back opportunities right now to capitalize. And for everyone who's been watching our reports over the last month, of course, you'll be very aware we have maximized the opportunity here on the very large sell-off that we got right at the end of September into the first week of October to build out multiple positions here on gold and also silver. So gold, of course, provided a huge opportunity when it broke back down towards $1,810 per ounce at its very lowest on non-farm payroll. At the start of the month here, this is where we built into multiple trades. And of course, since then, we saw gold just last Friday. It broke out just under $2,000 per ounce. Now, where we are sat right now, gold continues to consolidate. Silver is doing the same after breakout, over 200 points to the upside. Now we're starting to see some profit taking across both of those precious metals and a rotation now into copper, palladium, and platinum as well. So essentially, you have to understand, hedge funds and money managers, we can see they've been sidelined by this move right on gold. They've completely missed out on just under a 2,000 point breakout in the last couple of weeks. You've many funds out there, they've got a lot of FOMO after missing out on the recent breakout. And what we're seeing right now is just a consolidation on gold and silver, where many traders have missed out on the opportunity. And of course, we've seen that within the data that many hedge funds, in fact, they were selling short into the metals as we hit the first week of October. So many of them have now been liquidated out of those sell shorts as you've seen the breakout to the upside. We're also very aware many hedge funds and money managers, they FOMO'd into oil much too high. We've subsequently seen another breakdown in price back down towards $83 per barrel, whereas previously we had oil trading above $90 per barrel at the start of the month here. So you can see the overall cycle here. A lot of the funds, they're doing the opposite of what you should be doing, right? So what you want to do again, the mantra, buy low, sell high, rinse and repeat. What is low right now? Okay, so we have oil prices, they're low. We've got platinum, which remains low for now, below $900 per ounce. Certainly on copper, it broke down to 11-month lows at the start of the week. Nice buy opportunity at 3.6 or lower. Palladium as well also broke down to 11-month lows at the start of the week, down towards $1,100 per ounce. It's up 4% for the week so far. What is high right now? Gold is high and silver is high, and we're continuing to manage a windfall amount of profit on those trades at the moment. We still remain in 12 positions here on gold, but we've made sure to bank on strength and continue to bank as the price action has broken out to the upside here to lock in those gains, right? And rotate capital as well over to the other commodities, as I've just mentioned. Again, if you're not making money on commodities right now, you absolutely should be. There's just been back-to-back opportunities, even over the last 2.5 months, to absolutely crush it, which I know many of you have. Now, if you're not, I would either imagine that you're either using outdated technical analysis strategies, which really just unfortunately don't give you any sort of an edge at all, or perhaps you're very new to the markets, you need to just develop more experience. This is of course where you want to fast track all of that and just be given what you need to know, which comes down to utilizing data, statistics, market intelligence, learning and understanding the real-time data-driven cycles for each commodity. So this is the daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly cycle for each commodity. Alongside that, the key areas of liquidity that are targeted, so you know how to get your sniper entries on and also then bank your windfall amount of profit. Further compound this with the intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market, the narratives, of course, so the geopolitics, the fundamentals, the macroeconomics. And then finally, further compound this with how the hedge funds, the money managers, the banks, the institutions, how they're all positioned in the market in real time. This is going to help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.